What?
I said I look like I'm out of a cartoon.
I thought one of them.
Like a
Okay,
comic
quit.
book.
Alright, here we go. Number 5. Alright, we're looking at number 5. This is the work that we just did, okay? Solid sodium and nitrogen gas are formed from the decomposition of sodium azide That's our skeleton. Okay? How many sodiums here?
1.
How many here?
1.
Balanced.
E.
How many nitrogens?
3.
3. How many here?
2.
2. Okay? We cannot multiply something to get one of the others. So when we have this scenario, and this happens often with 3s and 2s, you have to think about it like a lowest common denominator. So what number is the smallest number that is divisible by both 3 and 2?
6.
6. How do I get a 3 to be a 6?
Put a 2 there.
How do I get a 2 to be a 6?
Put a 3 there.
Yes?
Now sodium's pissed.
Now sodium's messed up. Okay, this is okay. Okay? How many sodiums here?
2.
And how many here?
1. Now we're happy again.
Yes?
Balance.
Okay? Ratio?
2 to 2 to 3.
Now, let me tell you this. I didn't tell you this earlier. It hasn't come up, so it's not been an issue. This ratio, the ratio that you pick out, which is the mole ratio, that's what we call it, okay? That ratio must be the simplest whole number ratio that exists. For example, and you don't have to write this down, I just want to show it to you, okay? If I had if I had this,
Yeah.
how many nitrogens are on each side?
4.
4. Excuse me, sodiums. How many nitrogens?
12.
12. How many's here?
12.
12. Okay? Is this balanced?
Yes.
Yes. But this is a 4-4-6 ratio. This is not how they go together. They go together in the simplest whole number ratio. Sometimes this happens, like you're going and you get excited and you make something a 4, or you make something an 8, or you make something a 12. Okay, and sometimes there's numbers that are that big. Sometimes there are, and that's no worries. Okay, but when you write your ratio down, if it's not the simplest whole number ratio, you need to make it that way, which means you take the 4 and the 4 and the 6, and you make it a 2 and a 2 and a 3, and you make this a 2, and you make this a 2, and you make this a 3. Follow?
Interruption. Any senior who has not picked up their cap and gown, please go by Miss Hill's room and pick your cap and gown up. Any senior who has not picked up their cap and gown and are ready to pick it up, please stop by Miss Hill's room at this time. Thank you.
Is that any of my seniors?
Yeah, I need to go.
Well, you can wait.
There's going to be a bunch of people flowing there.
Yeah, you can wait a few minutes. It'll be fine.
They're saying till 2:30.
All right, here we go. So we're looking at number 6. Shh, zip it. You're going to get your cap and gown. Cross my heart, hope to die, stick a needle in my eye, I promise. Okay? All right, nitrogen gas reacts with hydrogen gas to yield ammonia. So our skeleton, nitrogen gas, ammonia. Yes? So we have to balance. We have 1 nitrogen here. We have, 2. We have 1 nitrogen here, so we need a 2 coefficient there. 2 hydrogens here. 2 times 3 is 6, so we need a 3 coefficient there.
We're all good.
We check. 2 nitrogens, 2 nitrogens. 3 times 2, 6 hydrogens. 2 times 3, 6 hydrogens. Gas, gas. Most of the time this is aqueous. Doesn't really matter. I'm not real stressed about that. And 1, 3, 2 ratio. Is that a reducible ratio? No, so we're square. All right, let's do the last one. do that yet. All right. Now, I noticed when I came around the room, at least 4 times for sure, and maybe more because I didn't go to all places, okay? You guys were trying to balance the equation and having trouble balancing the equation, but you were starting with an incorrect skeleton equation. Do you remember me saying, maybe this is the 28th time I've said it, that if I say the formula for iron 3 oxide and you can't write the correct formula, you can't do anything else? Yet again, this is a thing. Yes? Okay? So you've got to have that. The formulas have to be correct. Sometimes you can write a bad skeleton equation and get it balanced. It's possible. It's like figuring out the molar mass or formula mass for a bad formula. You can do it. Don't make it right, but you can do it. Okay? Alright, so let's take a look at this. So hydrogen, we've got 1 on this side and we've got 2 on this side, correct?
Alright.
So I'm going to put 2 coefficient there. Chlorine, I have 2 chlorines here. I have 3 chlorines here. I can get it to 6, but I have to change this and I just made that. But is that okay? Are these
Yeah.
permanent once I've written it?
Son?
No? Okay. So I'm going to go to 6. Okay? I'm going to go to 6. So this is going to be a 2 times 3 gets me 6. This is a 6. Now my chlorines are square. It messes up the hydrogen, but it's no worries. Okay? So iron. 2 irons here, 2 irons here. That was nice. That worked out great. We've got 3 oxygens here and how many here? 1. So we make it 3 there. Oh gosh, that changed the hydrogens. Let's check. 6 hydrogens. 6. 6 chlorines. 6. How many irons? 2 and
2.
oxygen and aqueous. This is actually aqueous. This one is 2, but that's okay if you don't know that. You definitely need the L on water and definitely need the aqueous on there. So what's my ratio?
6 to 1 to 2 to 3.
Is that a reducible ratio? No, because I got that 1 in there. Yes? Okay.
This is called gentle rain.
It's nice. I like
I've
it.
never smelled rain like this.
Yeah, I don't know.
I don't understand. Like, do they sit in their
It's
garage?
just nice and clean, and that's why I like
And they're
it.
like, oh, maybe it's really nice sound, like smell. What should we call it? I don't know. Let's call it rain.
This will, it'll do, 2 sides of salt green, 31 hole punch.
Oh, it just smells nice.
Okay. I'm going to give you guys a worksheet
Cool.
in just a couple minutes.
I'll actually
A bouncing equation worksheet. This is, let me talk to you about it just a little bit. Hello, people at home.
You've missed quite a class.
This is the worksheet. You can pause the video and copy that down. And then you can do it on your own. Or you can wait and pick it up in class. That's the front. That right there is the back.
Show them the side.
Pause the video and copy it. The side looks like this.
Yeah. There you go.
Okay? The other side looks like this.
About the bottom.
At the top, Shoop wants all angles.
Give me the corner.
He's a thorough dude. Corner
Yeah,
view.
diagonal shots.
Anyways, do this worksheet over the weekend. Bye.